Right, welcome to my review of the Hoover Optima range washing machine, model number WMH148DF, which is found here. It has an 8kg load and a 1400 RPM spin speed rating. It comes with an A+ energy, an A wash and an A spin rating. You have a drawer up here and there's a drain flap at the bottom here. Open it up, we've got an 8kg drip load which will take up to 40 adult t-shirts or shirts. Quite big, quite roomy, and just to demonstrate this, we have 11 t-shirts there and 2 jumpers here. So there's 13 items in there. And as you can see, it's a bit less than half load. So no doubt about that. You can probably fit on average about 25 items in there for a full load. If we take a look at the control panel at the top, it's a rather simple machine. You have 15 programs, and you have the cold wash feature and the sensitive care feature. The sensitive care feature adds on 3 extra rinses on the cotton cycle and adjusts the synthetics rinse cycles for the load so all the detergent is fully rinsed out. This is for people with sensitive skin. The cold wash button will turn any cycle to wash without any heat. It just takes in the incoming cold water and that's it. It doesn't adjust the time of the cycle, it just simply saves you energy. Just turn it on. So your cycles you've got are, you have a cotton 90 with a pre-wash, a standard 60, a 40 degree for normal soiled cotton laundry, a 30 degree for lightly soiled cotton laundry, a synthetics with a pre-wash for heavily soiled synthetics at 50 degrees, a synthetics 40 degree program for normally soiled laundry, a synthetics 30 degree program for lightly soiled laundry. You also have an additional rinse and spin and drain program, as well as a wool, silk and hand wash program, a special AA40 program, which is basically, it washes at 40 degrees to achieve an A wash and ANG rating, and it's actually designed to wash mixed cotton and synthetics together as well in the same cycle, as well as a range of both lights and darks. The sports cycle is for your sportswear. It's a 30 degree cycle and runs a adjusted final spin sequence. You have an A59 minute which is run at 60 degrees. It's for a 3 kilogram load, and will achieve an A wash rating in just 59 minutes. You also have a daily 44-minute load program, which washes at 40 degrees for about half a load, and a 29-minute cycle, which washes at 40 degrees for about a quarter load. Right, over here we have a spin speed, which is displayed here, and is variable in 100 RPM steps, all the way down to 400 RPM, and then you can select 0, which cancels all the spin cycles. You also have a delay start of up to, probably 24 hours. So, 60 millilitres of almond colour. And a standard dose of comfort. Your main wash detergent goes in this compartment. If you run a cotton 90 or a synthetic 50 cycle, you have to add detergent in this pre-wash section, and your fabric softener goes in the middle. Now, what the machine does for the first 10 minutes of the cycle on both the cottons and synthetic program is it measures the load using its Optima wash system, which is basically a kg mode that they've now renamed it to. Basically, it will now measure how much water is being absorbed. Then it gets translated into a figure of how much laundry is inside the machine. What it then does is alter the wash time, the rinse and washing patterns, all to suit that load size. So because we put a bit less than half load in, I expect it to drop sometime off here. And there's 4 stages. So there's 4 different load sizes it can detect and change to. Obviously if it's full load, after 10 minutes that won't adjust. If it's anything less than a full load, like a half load, or even a very small mini load, of like say a few items, it can save a lot of time. All done. Right, this machine's actually quite a good machine. It cleans rather well, it rinses rather well, and its 1400 spin is quite true to its A-rated spin, and it comes out very dry, so it's very quick in the dryer. It's also a very quick final spin. It does come out very creased, but once it's been in a tumble dryer, it doesn't come out that creased at all. That's the only drawback with this machine, is that the clothes come out creased. Then compared to other machines with a 1400 spin that I've had. But overall, it's a fairly cheap machine. It does everything quite well for its price. The build quality is okay, and overall, it's not a bad looking machine. So, overall, this actually gets about an 8 out of 10, simply because of how cheap it is, and simply because the options that you get with the programs, especially with the 29, 44 and 59 minute programs. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this review helpful.